Yo, what is going on, guys? We got a live trading session. Unfortunately, we just missed a trade off of this 9:30 open, but Luce is down. I was trying to get it connected, and literally the move happened 2 minutes in the market open. I mean, not really anything I can do. It is what it is. So at this point, just trying to find the next thing. Finally, I got everything working in order. Um, yeah. So basically, according to the model, really not anticipating any type of rejection until we get to this higher time frame key level here on the 4 hour, which is that 4 hour fair value gap. Which is yeah, I mean, yeah, pretty much. So really, any pullback into a 5 or 15 minute will be valid. Again, I did miss a trade off open because some of my accounts weren't active and I was trying to set that up. Probably my fault. I should have been more ready right at market open, but trade would have looked something like this. Inversion there. A lot of LR here, but whatever. There's a gap here, inverse, and yeah, 1 to 1. Um, Unfortunate, but yeah. Let me double check ES as well. Make sure we're not in any type of gap. Well, there's a gap right here. Oh, it looks like we're hitting this intermediate high on ES, so actually maybe could potentially short. So I was gonna say the structure on NQ doesn't look bad, actually. I could actually potentially short this. Damn, I might actually short this. I need price to hit this though. If we hit that, we can short. That would be a valid short. Yeah, I'm telling you, structure actually isn't bad on NQ to be shorting here. And then we have that 5 minute. But this is invalid unless we take out the intermediate high. Otherwise, I'm not shorting. Yeah. Because on NQ, no gap here, no gap on the hourly. It's the same thing. I mean, we have this gap up here, but I have to just take out that intermediate high to be able to take a short. Yep. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I kind of hope. Okay. All right. Yes, took out. Oh yeah. W's. So now we could potentially see a reaction. Potentially. I think I'll definitely wait for that 2 minute though, and I'd want to see nice displacement. If we can get an entry, literally check the line chart. It's pretty good structure, but I mean we will see. Again, quite possible that we just keep going up. For example, this 1 minute right here, if we create a gap here, would I take this 1 minute and then maybe go break even at that too? It's not the worst structure in the world, but I think I'd have to see really insane displacement to be taking that. Like I'm talking like entry down here, stop there, probably aim for this 5 minute, break even here at this low, which is a 2 minute that we didn't inverse. But these are all hypotheticals, right? End of the day, we gotta see what actually ends up happening, because this right here would be a 42-point stop, so definitely doable. I also want to check the structure on ES. Actually, ES doesn't look bad at all, man. I want to be aware of this 5 minute. Yeah, man. This might be valid. This might be valid. Try to see if we embers. That's the only thing. Wow, no embers. ES did though, so could have potentially taken that on ES. But it would have looked something like this probably. Damn, we're not. Alright. A good thing we didn't take it. I will say this is pretty decent structure to be short. Yeah, I wouldn't mind this at all. Damn. Would I take that though? Cause ES. Yeah, I think I would. I think I would because we don't really have anything to reject on over here. If I take it. It'll look something like that. And
Hey Shams, can I ask one question? What's your favorite restaurant? Red 8. Red 8? What do you get? Or chicken. Okay, we're in Vegas at Red 8. And actually, it was funny. I saw Booker eating here last night, too. So I guess this place is super.
yeah, we got that 3-minute embers. Yeah, I mean, that empty 4-hour gap above unfilled. I mean, sorry. So that acts as a pretty good magnet. Right here seems like it could be the play for longs, but we'll see how this plays out. Yeah. And ES is past our break-even point, but normally I don't think we would have to worry about that until it gets to this marker here because we invalidated a lot of these gaps, and I think the next target could be that high up there. I mean, we'll just wait and see if this plays out or not. If it doesn't, oh well. I mean, I like the trade. How does it look? Choppy.
Any good at golf? At all. Stop. Hey guys. Oh. How about this Frank guy? Is he any good at golf? At all. Stop. Okay, go ahead. Oh. How about this Frank guy? Is he any good at golf? At all. Stop. Okay, go ahead. Oh. How about
I just need to get that. Sorry, that push higher. So I am aiming for about a 1.4 hour trade. Let me check to see where that high is resting at. Okay, Are we at all-time highs? Don't believe so. Are we at all-time highs on ES? I don't know. I don't trade ES, so I have no idea if we are. I think we are. So one to one is here, but again, I think that let me check the hourly chart, see if we're in any type of gap as well. Well, maybe there I want to be break even because that's an intermediate high inside the hourly gap. But I really think we should be able to hit that unfilled gap. Right now, I'm trying to think about if I want to go for the 1-to-1 or if I want to wait to see if we hit that unfilled gap. Because I mean, it's a good target, but at the same time, because we're hitting this intermediate high, I might just go for that 1-to-1, man. I don't want to be too greedy, like I've stated before. We'll see. I mean, we'll see. Do I aim for that unfilled gap, man, or do I just go for my 1-to-1? Yeah, we don't have that 1-to-1 yet. The 1-to-1 is there. Nah, don't reject. No ways. And then we barely breathe on the 1-to-1. Could potentially just go for the 1-to-1, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, if I would have gone stop at the, what's it called, then yeah, we could have gotten 1-to-1. But I don't know. Yeah, I could, like I said, man, I really could see this 4 hour being a pretty good target. Um, if you've watched any of my videos before or any trading videos, you know that those unfilled higher time frame gaps can be a really good magnet for price. But in this case, because of the hour intermediate high, I think I want to play it a little bit more safe. Um, yeah, to be honest. We just gotta wait. We just gotta wait. Just a little bit higher, just a little bit higher. And bang. Easy as that, man. Again, I was originally kind of wanting to aim for this 4 hour unfilled gap, but I didn't want to be too greedy. We hit that intermediate high in the hourly gap. Also, I just don't want to get cooked on consistency. So, you know, with this trade right here, we banged out, I think, like close to 1,200 per account. And I will go over it right now in a second. Let me just do something real quick. But yeah, really, again, this is just a simple continuation trade. We traded this 5 minute gap. After that, I'm taking the highest time frame inverse, which is this 3 minute, and from there, really just holding. I didn't go break even at this high here because I really inside of anything. Not until we hit that hourly unfilled gap. Again, I believe yes, it's at all-time highs, so I don't believe you have to go break even on those. And yeah, again, I'm really just on the 4 hour. We had disrespected a lot of these gaps. I think we had one gap before, maybe not, but that's something I was noticing is that on the higher time frame, we had no gap to potentially reject off of. So that's why I didn't go break even until we hit this hourly intermediate low where I could potentially see a reaction from. So I decided to go break even there because we have this hourly gap. But really, again, look, as I said, I was literally stating that that 4 hour could be a potential target. But in my case, I didn't want to be greedy. I just want to go for. I got a little bit above a 1 hour trade, but this could potentially go up there for a little bit. You know, a 1.4 hour trade. But yeah, I wanted to play it safe. You know, get the base hit and get my 1-to-1, which we did. W. Obviously, one trade, one W. I'm done for the day. And it's really straightforward. I mean, these 5 minute continuation trades are super simple, super straightforward. Today was kind of weird. Again, I'm sorry. I had some first technical difficulties with Lucid. Finally got that working. And then I was all over the place today. But no, glad we got the dub. And yeah, just hope we can keep it going. Low key, if we can get some shorts here, that's not bad structure to be taking short. Well, maybe not. And 3 minute doesn't look bad. Inverse here, potentially take. But actually, yeah. Because we did hit that. No, we haven't hit that 4 hour. But I don't know. None of my concern, right? But yeah. I mean, that's it. I'm probably edit this video heavily, but yeah, man. W's. My fault. I forgot to include the P&L, but this is the P&L today. Yeah, just over 1,100 on each account. They're basically like 1,100 for a total of $8,827.96. But yeah, W again. If you watched, appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I hope I can get as many videos out for you guys as possible. The thing is, sometimes I feel like recording, sometimes I don't. Just kind of depends on the day. Like yesterday, for example, I traded, but I didn't record. Actually, I think I got break even yesterday. And yeah, it kind of just depends on the day. But again, I'm gonna try to put out as much live trading videos as I can. I think they can be really insightful. At least while I'm home, because I think end of this month I'll be going back to Spain, where if you don't know, I primarily reside at. But yeah, I'm hoping to build a really nice setup out there. That's kind of like my dream, which is what I'm kind of working towards right now, is to build a really nice setup out there so I can bring these same quality videos while I'm out there. And maybe I like doing this as a hobby, so we'll just see. We'll go as far as we can. Appreciate it.